Good evening, YouTubers. Today we're going to be making stuffed Cubanelle peppers, lump crab pasta, and grilled asparagus. Today I am actually using Rao sauce again, and you'll probably see me use that about 3 times in the recipes that I have made so far. I promise you I will make fresh sauce in the future as well as fresh pasta. I make fresh pasta all the time as well as fresh tomato sauce or marinara sauce for the pasta. I've just moved here recently from Japan. I lived in Japan for 6 years. I moved back to the States about 4 months ago, and I just moved to New Jersey about a couple of months ago. So I'm trying to get acclimated in my new home, trying to get acclimated to the States. So I'm trying to do my best as far as cooking, put fresh food on the table, healthy food on the table, but I haven't had time to unpack all the boxes where all my pasta makers and all that stuff is. So I promise you in the future I will be making fresh pasta, and I'll teach you how to do that. It's so easy. So right now what you see me doing is I've cut my white onion up, and I'm cutting up some eggplant here, and what you see me do is cut off a piece of the eggplant just so it can lie flat, because if it's round it will wiggle around and you may cut yourself. So you want to cut off an edge first to make it flat, lie it down, cut it up into cubes, and then cut the flat part up when you get done with the thick part that you just made a flat side to. So I'm putting that into the pan with the white onion, and here I have some fresh spinach. And what I do with all my herbs as well as spinach is when I take them home, I wash them and I wrap them up in a damp paper towel and put them into a Ziploc bag, and they stay fresh forever. And then when you want to use your herbs, you don't have to worry about washing them. Here I'm using some extra virgin olive oil, and I have my spinach, my onion, my eggplant, and I'm putting some salt and pepper in there, and I'm going to saute that as well as the piece of garlic that you saw me chop. So here I'm just sauteing my ingredients, making them soft. I've covered the pot, and I'm cleaning out my Cubanelles so I can stuff them. So what you see me do is cut in a circular motion around the stem, and then I cut a slit into the pepper, and I don't want to remove the stem because I don't want all my ingredients to fall out of it while it's baking. So I just clean it out, leaving the stem attached. I'm taking the seeds and the veins out. Here I have some ricotta cheese, a couple of scoops of ricotta cheese, and cream cheese. This is New York style cream cheese, as well as some New York cheddar. And this is a medium cheddar. You can use sharp, you can use mild, whatever you like. And also you can stuff your pepper with whatever you like to stuff it with. Again, my channel is cooking with what you have in your refrigerator and in your pantry. And this is what the ingredients that I have. So this is what I'm using. I have all my ingredients mixed up, and I'm going to add the ingredients, the hot ingredients, to the cheese mixture. Now if you have time, you can let your ingredients cool before you stuff your peppers, but I'm keeping it real. I mean, you're coming home from work, you don't have a lot of time, you just want to get something good and healthy and homemade on the table. So if you don't have time to wait for it to cool off, don't worry about it, just go ahead and stuff it. Putting some salt and pepper on top of the stuffed peppers, covering those and putting those into the oven. I put those into the oven on 350 just until the cheese is melted and the peppers are soft. I would say about 20 minutes. Now here I'm chopping up some cilantro, and I'm going to make a cilantro cream to go on top of my peppers as a sauce. I chopped up a lot of cilantro because I wanted it to have a heavy cilantro flavor. I'm adding salt and pepper here and mixing it up with my emulsion blender. You can put it into a regular blender if you don't have an emulsion blender. And there it is. Here I've sauteed grilled some asparagus, and I've just put salt and pepper on those, and that's it. I wanted to keep the flavor simple in this meal. Most of the vegetables that I buy are from a farm or a farmer's market or something like that. So I want to keep the flavors fresh, and I want to taste the ingredients. So I don't want to heavily season these vegetables. And there it is. It looks beautiful and it tastes gorgeous. I can assure you of that. Now here my pasta is done. I've just boiled some penne pasta with salty water, and I've added some Rao sauce as well as some lump crab meat. And I didn't bother picking the crab meat because this is lump crab meat. With lump crab meat, you hardly get any shells. And I also, as you can see, I put the rest of the stuffed pepper ingredients, the vegetables, into the pasta because I don't want to waste anything. I spend a lot of time shopping for my ingredients and making sure I get the freshest ingredients possible, so I'm not going to waste anything. I've topped my pasta with parmagiano reggiano cheese, and I'm going to top it with some more of the lump crab meat. I have everything there plated. There's my pasta, the stuffed peppers, and the grilled asparagus, as well as a glass of red wine. Nice, quick, healthy meal. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much.